Alright, this is a quick xhulooo one. It's a little quick. I try to make it. This one's kind of iffy too. This one kind of like we call that word yeah, whatever, iffy. It's kind of iffy, ain't gonna lie. But like, yeah, there's this. But like, you know, it's just two presets, and like I try to copy off, not copy obviously, but like I try to do what you call it freeze tag. Yeah, that song. But fuck the beat. I'm just gonna show this. Yeah. Never mind. I don't wanna meet her. Not know much, but I know she eat her. Pop in the jan, I run in the bank. Talk too much, and that's funny on neck. Don't know what I said on. But damn, she wanted me dead on. I can't fuck with the feds on. They tell me leaving them dead on. Yeah. Why is whatever? You get the point though. Honestly, the preset not that bad. You know, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Dude, if you need to change some stuff, obviously, you know, you could just go on the thing, just change whatever. But yeah, that's it. Wait, part 2. Huh? What is this? Oh wait, part 2. Oops, I put the wrong thing. Hold on. This is part 4. Yeah, no, 3, 4, no, 3. What the hell I get? Where the hell I get 3 from? I mean 4 from. All right, my bad. All right, yeah, that's it on that. Don't want that bitch and I don't want that meter. Not know much, but I know she eat her. Pop in that jan, I run in the bank. Talk too much, and that's funny on neck. Don't know what I said on. But damn, she wanted me dead on. I can't fuck with the feds on. They tell me leaving them dead on. Hold on, bro. Just delete this. There. Yeah, that's it. Little quick video. Yeah. Dang. Yeah, peace.